first normal water? Oh. What's that water? It's floating. This one in. Did I mix it enough? I think I need more salt. Because the video did have a lot of salt in it. Oh yeah, that's better.
Now let's see if it floats or not. Yes, it's dense enough. And look, so, and then this one it sinks. Yeah. And then this is the experiment. Also, the density, it means there's less space. So the more salt you add, the more molecules, which are like the tiny little things that make up every single item that exists. I want it to be.
Are you ready?
Yep.
So we put some of the water with the salt in. I think that's probably enough.
Well, that's an interesting sound.
Where's the water? And then we take the water and then we pour it in a bit. It should be in the middle. Yay! Yep, it would. But hopefully it will do it, otherwise I wasted a whole bunch of salt. It does not work. No, I'm so sad. Okay, so you would know how salty this one is. This one is so salty. Let's drop the egg. No, not there. We're gonna drop it here first. Ooh. So that sinks. Please work, please work. Do one slide. Oh, yes, it worked. Worked. This one has salt.
Okay.
There's the
And what's in the other one?
Nothing.
Okay.
Just water.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I'll put these 2 eggs in.
Yeah. There you go. Oh.
So this one's higher than that one. So the salt inside this one is not really that high yet. That one just got jammed. During the experiment, I'm pretty sure we didn't put the right amount of salt. I'm pretty sure we need more.
You need more salt. Okay.
Yeah, so that the egg can flow all the way to the top.